Hi scholars, this is Mrs. Sexton and I'm here with Miss Huddle.
It is so nice to play a game with you again, Mrs. Sexton.
It's so nice to play with you too. Thanks so much for teaching me and my scholars how to do our homework tonight.
Oh, I'm honored.
Scholars, tonight we're going to play a slightly different version of the place value game. So to start the place value game, you're going to need your game board that you took home for homework tonight. You're going to need to make a place value chart. You can just use regular paper. That's what Miss Huddle and I did to make our place value charts. You're going to need a pencil and a paper clip. Parents, most of your scholars said that they had paper clips at home, but if they didn't, they did have the opportunity to pick one up in class, so they should have that in their folder as well. Well, just like the place value game Miss Huddle and I have played before, we're going to start by filling up our place value chart with numbers. But instead of rolling a dice this time, we're going to spin the spinner. Would you?
I would love to.
So I'm going to go first, and I'm going to put my paper clip and my pencil in the middle. I'm going to put my pencil right in the middle of the spinner and just put my paper clip inside it, and then I'm going to spin my spinner.
That's so cool.
Oh man, I got a 0.
Oh.
I think I'm going to put that in the ones place.
Okay, so we get to choose where to put it.
You get to choose where to put it.
All right.
All right, Miss Huddle, would you like to spin?
I would love to. Okay. So I'm going to put my pencil in the middle, and I'm going to flick. Be good, be good. Okay, a 2. Well, Miss Huddle, you know, maybe this is a lucky game for Miss Huddle. I'm going to do 2 10s. I'm going to do, that means 20, Miss Sexton.
Awesome. Very good job, Miss Huddle. My turn. All right. If you get pencil marks on your game board, scholars, that's totally okay. A 4. I think I'll put that in the 10s. 4 10s is equal to 40. Your turn.
Okay. We're taking turns with the video camera too.
Yeah, it's hard to spin and hold the video camera at the same time.
Oh no! Oops! I'm sorry, scholars. I got a little too excited.
Miss Huddle spun the paper clip right off the spinner.
Woo! If that happens, it doesn't count. Does it, Mrs. Sexton?
Nope, you have to try it again.
Let's try again carefully.
Oh, good job.
Now, if it gets a line between the 7 and the 6.
If it gets a line, then you can spin it again, or you can
take the lower number.
You can take either number.
I'm gonna take the lower number because I'm gonna be a team player.
Awesome.
And I'm gonna. Ooh, scholars, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the hundreds. I'm gonna just hope for the best with the thousands.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Don't get too excited and flick it.
Oh, a 3.
Did you get a line too?
No, I got
no,
a 3.
Got a 3, fair and square.
Put it in the hundreds and hope for something better.
Okay.
All right.
Still have ones and
Good job,
thousands.
Miss Huddle. You're doing so good
Thank
this
you.
time.
So are you. You know.
Thanks.
You win some, you lose some.
Ooh, Miss Huddle, you got a 9.
I did.
Good job.
Mrs. Sexton, I feel proud, but I also feel like it's just fun to play even if I win or even if I lose.
I think it's fun too. I really like spinning the spinner.
Yeah, it's fun. I get excited and accidentally flick it.
Oh, it looks like I got a line. So I'm going to take the lower number because that's what you did, Miss Huddle.
Good job.
5,000s is 5,000.
Good
All
job.
right,
I have to determine how many ones I have. All right, here we go.
Benny is running away during this game, so
Benny's afraid that I'm gonna flick the. Maybe at the end of the game, I'll show you his face. Flick. 3.
Ooh, she got a 3.
Mrs. Sexton, I don't read my number 9623.
No, you don't, Miss Huddle, but we're not quite
done we're not done yet?
No.
Oh.
Because, see, the next part of our direction says that after our charts are full, we're going to spin the addition and subtraction spinner. So, even if it looks like you're winning, the spinner could change it all. So, I'm going to spin this spinner just one time. And I got plus 100. So that means I get to add 100 to my number. So, instead of having 3 hundreds, I now have 4 hundreds. None of my other numbers change, Miss Huddle. I'm only adding 100. So my number is 5,440. Now I'm going to write it in expanded form. 5,000 plus 400 plus 40. I don't need to write anything for the 0 because it has a value of 0.
Right.
Then I'm going to write my number in words. 5,000 440.
This is really fun.
And that's my final number for this round. It's your turn to finish up, Miss Huddle. Spin that addition and subtraction spinner.
Okay, I'm wishing for the best. Okay.
Oh, Miss
Mrs.
Huddle likes to
Sexton,
spin
I
the
need-
paper clip off the paper.
Mrs. Sexton, I need spinning practice. Scholars, maybe you can teach me at recess. Okay, here we go. Oh. It's in the middle, so I'm going to do a +10.
Okay.
So I noticed how you said, Mrs. Sexton, that that's not going to change my ones. It's not going to change my hundreds. It's not going to change my thousands. Only my tens. So if I add 110, it's not 1. It's 110. So it's 9,633. In expanded form, it's 9,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 3, and it's, oops, no, I don't write it with numbers, I write it with words. 9,000, my marker's a little chunky. Oh my goodness, 600.
Good job, Miss Huddle.
30.
That's a long number.
Thank you very much. 33. And I always like to do still, even when I'm writing, my comma between my hundreds and thousands.
Oh, good. I forgot that on my number.
It's okay.
Thank you for reminding me.
I just like to get in that practice of pausing. And I love the fact that neither of us wrote and. We don't need an and in our numbers.
Now, Scholars, Miss Huddle and I wrote really big, and we took up the whole piece of paper with just one round. We did that so that you could see it better in our video. You probably don't need to write that big. You could probably fit a couple of rounds on one
like
piece
this.
of paper. So Miss Huddle's number is greater than my number. So Miss Huddle, you were the winner today. Good game.
Congratulations, good game. That was so much fun.
That was a lot of fun. We hope you have fun playing this game.
Hold on.
At home. Scholars, please play this game for at least 15 minutes. And if you want to play more rounds, go right ahead. You can even keep score if you'd like to see who wins more rounds. We hope that you have fun playing this game, because Benny sure did.
Yes, he did.
Bye-bye. All right, good night.